Bonjour and hello. Welcome to a healthy Khmer cooking.
What are we going to cook today?
Today we're gonna cook Tom Yum soup.
What are the ingredients?
The ingredients are enoki mushroom, tomato, tofu, Thai basil, onions, baby corns, garlic, lemon leaf, sawtooth herb, lemongrass, galangal root, dry red pepper paste, limes, salt, and soy sauce.
So, what do we do first?
First, we need to turn on the stove. We already put the water in, so we need to bring the water to boil. And then we can add the other ingredients. Now our water is boiling. Can you pass me the lemongrass? Okay. We need to put the lemongrass in. Can you pass me the galangal? Yeah, galangal roots and lemon leaf. And the last one is garlic. And we need to keep it maybe for half a minute to make it to become a stock, so that we can put the other ingredient. Now it's time. Can you pass me the red bell pepper paste? Okay. Need to put it in to make it colorful. And the tofu. Need to put the tofu in, and if you fry it, it cannot absorb the flavor. But if you put it fresh, it can absorb many flavor. Just keep it maybe about 1 minute to make it absorb the flavor, and can we add other ingredients to it. Now it's time, so we just stir it a bit, and we can add other ingredients. Okay. Can you pass me the enoki mushroom? Okay. So put it in. Tomato. Baby corn. Onion. And we can add salt to make it more tasty. And soy sauce. I put all the soy sauce. And wait until it's boiling again to make sure that it is cooked.
So, if we don't have enoki mushroom, can we use other mushroom?
Of course, yes, you can use a fan mushroom or a straw mushroom if you don't have the enoki mushroom. I think our onion is cooked. Need to check it. Stir it a bit. Now it is cooked. So can you pass me the Thai basil? Okay. And sawtooth herb.
Why you don't put lamb?
I think it is a bit sour. If you want like more sour, you can add lamb. But now it's cooked. You can turn off the fire. And we're gonna serve it. Now you need to put it in the bowl. It smells good?
Yeah,
Oh.
it looks yummy.
And make sure that you don't eat the lemongrass, lemon leaf, and the galangal root. We just put it to make more tasty, but don't eat it. now we're done with our cooking. And I hope that you enjoy our cooking show. And I hope that you will try this tom yum soup at home. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye and chum rib ly.